Smile. You're on cam. Eto pa.
Mga paborito ni Derek Raul.
Of course.
Snake Eyes.
Oo. Hindi ko alam kung paano nagagawa ni Derek Raul yan, no? Sa ganda ng ating ball game, nakikita pa niya yung mga magagandang ngiti. Of course, ng ating mga estudyante. Maraming salamat mga kapamilya sa inyong pagtutok. Of course. We have 3 games today, partner. Coming up is the Arellano Chiefs kontra EAC Generals. Important game din to para sa Arellano Chiefs. Olwell Oraime, in the meantime, hindi nakita ang kanyang kakampi si Mark Branya as we start our 4th and final quarter.
Alam mo, Boom, sinong nakatutok?
Sino?
Ito matindi talaga to. Hindi na uubusan ng paba dito si Coach Ricky Reyes ng Lyceum ng LPU Pirates. Happy birthday, mga October celebrants. Hindi ko alam ba't di nauubusan eh. Mami Letty, Ate Tammy and Zoe. Di nauubusan, partner.
Maraming salamat, Coach Ricky Reyes.
Yes.
May kapangalan siya eh, no?
Ay, mga kaibigan din natin yan. Kaibigan mo?
Yung
mga undercut.
Yan. Coach Ricky, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok. In the meantime, etong si Menina. Talagang, kumbaga sa bilyar, partner talagang pinaksakan yung tres na yun. Thank you, Kuyas. Animo, galing, CSB. Eto nga. JS Domingo, Aldrich Aldave. Let's go! Mapua Cardinals win this game and keep our hopes alive for the final 4 spot. Hashtag galing MIT, hashtag NCAA Season 91 at 1 Mapua. Maraming salamat, no? Ating mga estudyante, of course, sa ating platform na makitweet, post natin at mabasa natin sa ere yung kanilang mga adhikain.
Adhikain.
Siyempre.
Para kang nagsisimula ng picket line ng rally niya na.
Congratulations, no, sa aking brother na si Apolinario Mabini. Naka-reach na ng 200 mark. Partner si brother Epi Quezon, of course, sa pagganap ng Apolinario Mabini. At alam naman natin na nag-trending, no, dahil ang mga estudyante ngayon
kasi naman tinatanong bakit daw laging nakaupo. Ba't magulat sila pag ako yung laging nakaupo? Yun yung itanong nila.
Yes, of course. Importante na alam natin ang ating history.
Oo, at alam mo anong mas importante?
Yung
ipinukol na 3 points na yun ni Daryl Menina.
Of course.
Pangalawa ngayong quarter na to.
Back-to-back na yan. Kaya naman binigyan niya ng 12 points na kalamangan itong Mapua Cardinals sa ating 4th quarter. Sasagot ba itong si Castor? Too strong. Hinayaan na lang ni Josan Nimes. And like I said, after ng papeng ni JJ Domingo, tumira ng 3. Itong si Menina.
Talagang sinipat pa no? Kumbaga sa bilyar, sipat na sipat
Yes, partner. Alam mo yung yung ginaganong-ganong muna ni Efren Bata Reyes bago tumira. Ganun ang ginawa ni Menina. At tingnan mo naman, that is a nice pass. And that is a nice block from JR Ontenco. Jonathan Gray behind the back. Matatawagan ng foul. CJ Izit na tumitingin sa taas. Pag tumitingin ka ba sa taas, partner? Bakit ka ba tumitingin? Nangihingi ka ba ng why? Bakit ako nakakuha ng foul? Pero bago yan, punta muna natin ang ating kasamang si Siege Tantenko.
Yes, Boom. Before the game, sabi nga ni Coach Gabby Velasco, ang buhay parang basketball. Ano man ang kinatatayuan mo, you need to do your best. Ngayong 4th quarter, paalala niya sa kanyang team, take smarter shots. Huwag na yung mga 3 points unless you have a good look and tighten your defense faster. Throughout the season, we've heard him say you need to be tough and he will deny. Let's see if they can do it one last time. Back to you.
Maraming salamat. Kasamang Siege Tantenko, itong si Fonzie Saavedra. 13 points na sa ating ball game. At nakakailang tres na rin itong si Fonzie Saavedra. Tingnan natin, partner, 3rd quarter field goal ng ating dalawang koponan.
Ito, 50% ang St. Benilde Blazers. While the Mapua Cardinals, 7 out of 16 lang.
Pero lamang pa rin dito ng 9 na puntos ang Mapua Cardinals. 60, Mapua. Blazers, 51. Olwell Oraime, free throw line. First free throw. Wow! Medyo nag-placing lang ng konti yung bola sa ating rim, no? Coach Gabby saying something to
No, marami-rami na nga.
Coaching staff. Yes.
Splitting his charity, 61% free throw shooter tong si Olwell Oraime. Alam mo, sinong hindi nagmimintis?
Sino, partner?
Si Coach Kurt ng San Beda Table Tennis. Hindi
Eto.
nagmimintis yan.
Yes, partner. 2 out of 5 para sa 3-point.
Oo, and 3 out of 8.
Fonzie Saavedra with the same spot. Back-to-back 3 for Fonzie Saavedra.
That's his third triple of the ball game. And Fonzie Saavedra talagang he makes this game count. Again, fourth rather, three-pointer. Makes the game count his last ball game as a College of St. Benil Blazer.
Exactly. Kaya naman, 7 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng ating Mapua Cardinals. 61 against Blazers 54. And that fast play of the game is brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Partner, itong kapatid kong si Yubs may sinasabi sa'yo.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Si Yubs, di ba?
Ano?
Nag-hi sa'yo eh.
Nag-hi ba? Yung helmet ko daw, masyadong kitang-kita. Yan na yun eh.
Yan na ba yun? Etong si Justin Oliver Serrano, partner, nakakuha to ng 2 personal. So, umpisa natin ang first quarter.
And he scored 7 in the first half ngayon. That's his first conversion in the second half. Let's see if he could add on to his production.
Biteng is back in the ball game, fourth and final quarter, 6:32. 17 on the shot clock for the Blazers. Castor, handoff, San Juan. Back to JR. Jonathan Gray for 3. JR Ontenko, tinapik ang bola. Lead pass, Nieles. Nandun si Fonzie Saavedra. But there's nothing he can do. Pag tumakbo ng gano'n ang Mapua Cardinals. Mapua Cardinals 65, Blazers 54. Fast play of the game brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 91 para sa ating fourth final quarter. Back inside the arena. Mapua Cardinals. Partner, isa na lang ang kanilang game, no?
Yes. Against the EAC Generals, compared to the other playoff-bound teams, the Mapua Cardinals had a easier time. Okay? They had an easier schedule compared dun sa mga nasa taas na magbabakbakan pa. Letran, San Beda, Perpetual, and Letran on Friday. Medyo dadaan pa sila sa butas ng karayom.
Exactly, partner. You know, parang butas nga ng karayom itong ating top 6 na teams. In the meantime, itong si JJ Domingo. Rebound pero lagpas. Nieles, wow. Parang pang 5K sprint run yung ginawa ni Nieles na yun.
Oo. Sayang lang yung layup. Everything but the finish.
Exactly. Castor, that is a dangerous pass. As a coach, gusto mo ba yung mga cross pass na ganyan, partner?
Well, it's a high percentage pass. If it's off a rotation sa depensa, gusto kong i-skip yan sa kabila. Dahil malamang sa malamang, yun ang may libreng atake.
Just like this. Jonathan Gray, corner 3. Pero
Shoot sa labas.
Shoot sa labas, no? Mapua Cardinals 65, Blazers 54. Copico 78, best recharge moment. Brought to you by Copico 78. Copico's best latte ever. Alam mo sinabi niya, let's go boy! Yeah, boy! Siyempre, pag nakaganong hat ka.
Pag nakaganong hat ka. Kasi sa amin, pag kaganong hat, sasakay ka ng bangka. Mangingisda ka, tapos mag-uwi mo may pang-lunch na yung pamilya mo. Kaya sa probinsya namin eh.
Umuulan daw ng tres. Woo! Buti na lang talaga may Twitter at updated ako sa hashtag NCAA Season 91, hashtag beat CSB, hashtag occupy the arena, hashtag galing MIE.
Okay na dito umulan ng tres kesa sa report card mo, puro tres, di ba? Lagyan mo naman ng konting 1.5.
Hindi, pero alam mo, sa amin partner,
Tres mataas,
mataas yun. 4 yung pinakamataas sa amin eh. Etong si Biteng, no? Good looking jumper from Biteng. Nice rebound coming from Olwell Oraime. Natapikan ng CSB Blazers. Nieles with the ball. Nice defense coming from the Blazers. JJ Domingo. Wala na magagawa dun si Nieles with that turnover. 65 Mapua Cardinals. Blazers 56. 4-30, fourth and final quarter. Nice defense coming from Castor. Lead pass to JJ Domingo. Palitan ng mga tao. First time in a ball game sa ating fourth quarter. Itong si Young and Johnson, partner.
Travis Johnson, another senior. First time to get fielded in by Coach Gabby Velasco. Matatawagan sila ng technical foul. Ito si JJ Domingo for that action after the layup, delaying the game.
Medyo kanina pa nga niya ginagawa yan, partner.
Tinapik pa yung bola.
Mukhang bad boy Domingo nang itatawag ko.
Ganyan yung mga gusto kong kalaban dati, yung maraming extra motion.
Bagay na. Alam mo, JB, tingnan natin kung sasagot itong si JB. JB, gusto mo ba dahil sa swagger nitong si JJ Domingo? Gawin na nating bad boy Domingo to.
Mas bad boy daw yung Christian Pari to eh.
Mas bad boy
Mas bad boy daw eh.
Kasi di ba ganun yung partner pag pumupunta ka sa court, uy, bad boy ah.
But again, alam mo, isa sa mga bagay na dapat i-work on itong Domingo Brothers, Christian Pari to, kailangan magdagdag sila ng timbang. Ngayong off-season na paparating since it's their last game, they need to gain a little bit more weight dahil malalaki rin yung bantay nila dito eh. The skills are there. The intensity is there. Kailangan lang nilang para mas maging mas effective.
Natapikan ito si JJ Domingo ni Menina. Nangunguna si Menina. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan dito ng Mapua Cardinals. 69 against Blazers 56. Of course, yung bad boy na sinasabi natin kasi magaling maglaro itong si JJ Domingo. Tingnan mo naman at that time nga lang short ang kanyang tira. Lead pass. CJ Izit. Wisely, nilabas ang bola para dito kay Biteng. Serrano to Biteng. Biteng back to Serrano. Guarded by Saavedra. Serrano looking for a teammate. CJ Izit with a nice escape. Pull up J. CJ Izit using the glass. 71 Mapua Cardinals against Blazers 56. 3-10 sa ating fourth and final quarter. Johnson with the ball. Saavedra back to Johnson. JJ Domingo. Inside to Ponzi Saavedra. Back to JJ Domingo. Johnson for a 3 and that is good.
Ito Travis Johnson announcing his entry in this ball game. One of our seniors again scoring another 3.
CJ Izit. That traffic, sa ating ball game, sumisenyas ng play. Ito na nga, open na lang daw. Nice pass to Biteng for a corner 3. Niluwa, Olwell Oraime. Inagawan nitong si Ponzi Saavedra. Back to Young. Young for a 3 and that is good.
Alam mo ba ito si Philip Young? Pride of Chiang Kai-shek College. He played high school with who? JP Nieles.
Wow.
Teammates yan ng high school. Under Coach Dondon Monteverde. Champion team yan. Kasama rin nila si
Last 2 minutes na tayo sa ating ball game. Menina, titira ng 3. Rebound Mapua Cardinals. Biteng. Fresh 14 seconds na shot clock. CJ Izit against Young. 1-on-1. Spins. Floater. That is good. Mapua Cardinals with a score of 73 against CSB Blazers 62. Master Guapo move of the quarter. Watch out for more Guapo moves powered by Master. Sikreto ng mga Guapo. Timeout on the floor and NCAA will be right back.
San Bernardino.
Strong move of the game brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Back-to-back, of course, baskets para dito kay CJ Easy. Fourth and final quarter, 137. JR Ontenko. Inside pass, too strong. Para dito kay Jonathan Gray. Mapua Cardinals 73, CSB Blazers 62. In the meantime, yung mga nagkape, Copico 78 Best Recharge Moment brought to you by Copico 78. Copico's best latte ever.
The Blazers. 2 free throws for CJ Easy.
2 free throws for CJ Easy. 126.
Ito, titignan natin kung paano papakuan ng Mapua Cardinals ang coffin ng CSB Blazers for the season. CJ Easy on the line.
Paalala natin, partner, ating second game, the Arellano Chiefs na handang-handa na, no? First game pa lang, nahandito na yung mga estudyante ng Arellano Chiefs. Of course, the bus driver, the conductor. Maglalaro mamaya yan.
At yung mga iba pang pahinante.
At ang yung mga nakasakay
Oo, yung mga nakasabit.
sa bus. Itong si Halalon. And of course, sila Francis Monsayak from the EAC Generals on Wubere. In the meantime, tingnan muna natin itong si Young, no? Josan Nimes. Wow, parang bumangga sa pader ng Intramuros.
Oo, itong sophomore na si Philip Young. Pinasok kanina ni Coach Gabby Velasco. Hitting a big three-pointer. And then, giving out a turnover. Ups and downs talaga eh, pag bata pa ang team mo eh. So he could make a shot, and then he could pass. Inconsistent. But, again, there is always room for growth the following year.
Of course, alam mo lahat ng mga pagkakamali na yan, that's where you know, grow. Yung mistake mo, ganito pala dapat ganito ginawa ko.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly. Malalaman mo na yun eh, yung galaw na yun eh. Throughout the game, alam mo na ang gagawin mo, katulad na lang nung pasa na yan. At katulad na lang ng ginawa ni CJ Easy.
Maturity.
No need to rush.
Exactly. Pulling out of the traffic.
Exactly.
Trying to set the play. They have a double-digit lead. Malamang natuto na to dun sa JRU game.
Oo naman. 75 Mapua, 62 Blazers, Josan Nimes. Double figure ba para sa ating ball game? Menina, wow, nice shot. Olwell Oraime, tapi ka ng bola. Wow! Mark Branya.
Medyo masama yung pagsakta ni Mark Branya, partner.
Alam naman natin na may back spasm itong si
Arlo
Mark
Young.
Branya. Diba, partner? Lead pass again to Menina. Tumatakbo dito,
Arlo
Mapua
Menina.
Cardinals. Mapua 77 kontra Blazers 65. Ito na mga huling segundo ng ating mga seniors. Para sa CSB Blazers, of course, nandyan si Jonathan Gray, Pastor sa Avedra, JR Ontenko. In the meantime, ito si Olwell Oraime, pinalpal ng ring. Titira pa ng tres. Para dito sa CSB Blazers, itong si Fonzie sa Avedra. Pagkatapos ng tres, nakakuha pa ng agaw Fonzie sa Avedra. Samantala, Jonathan Gray, JR Ontenko. 72 Blazers, 77 Mapua Cardinals. Titira pa ba ang mga Mapua Cardinals dito?
And that's it.
That's it, partner.
For the college careers of our 7 seniors ng Blazers. Made a good account of themselves. Kept playing till the very last minute. Mapua Cardinals stay alive for their playoff hopes. And Final Four is within their grasp. Nasa kanilang bola.
Congratulations, of course, to the Mapua Cardinals. Last game nila, pinakita natin, October 9. At doon na nga, natin malalaman ko sila ay magkakaroon ng playoff spot. In the meantime, balik muna tayo sa ating commercial break, partner. At magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 91 para sa ating best player. We're back. Live, of course. Hatid sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Nanalo na nga dito sa ating unang laro ang Mapua Cardinals with a score of 77 kontra CSB Blazers 72. And partner, nakikita naman natin na emotional yung ating 7 seniors coming from the CSB Blazers, of course, playing their last game as a CSB Blazers.
Again, we want to commend our 7 seniors, Irvin Flores, Jonathan Gray, Ralph Naive, Ralph Deles,
Fonzie Saavedra,
JR Ortego, and Jonathan Gray, nabanggit ko na. So 7 guys there who played their hearts out, gave the old college try, gave their very best for the College of St. Benilde Blazers. We wish you the best in all endeavors that you would do. And napili nating best player. Punta tayo doon sa nanalo. Daryl Shane Menina.
Yes.
Really putting the ball in the hole today. Second half, nag-step up yung batang yan. Gave the best punch. Kung masasabi natin, 10 points yan ng fourth quarter.
Bago ko ibigay kay Siege Tantenko, no, unahan ko na yung tanong, hindi ba nila nagustuhan yung gesture nitong si JJ Domingo? Sasagutin niya ni... Kasi after that gesture, yung papeng, bigla silang nag-run eh.
Nag-run ng malaki.
Alright, CJ.
Yes, tinatanong ng ating anchors, ano nga ba yung naging feelings nyo doon sa ginawa ni JJ Domingo kanina?
Na-dismaya. Kasi na-shoot yung mga 3 points niya, yung mga fast break, yun.
Shane, alam mo sabi ni Coach kanina, isa ka sa pinakamasipag sa team bago, after the practice, nag-extra work ka. Ano ba yung halaga ng extra work sa laro ng isang player?
Para mabuti yung player, tapos tip-top shape, tapos sa laro, confidence.
Confidence. Speak of mga extra work, ano ba yung dapat nyo pang i-improve going into, this race for the Final Four?
Practice mabuti, follow the system, anong sinabi ni Coach Atoy, Coach Ed, Coach Randy, at saka lahat gawin namin sa practice para makapasok kami sa Final Four.
Shane, sigurado akong proud na proud yung pamilya mo sa Cebu. Batiin nyo naman sila.
Hi pa. Musta mo diya? Ako, kira ko dire. Kamo, musta mo? Akong, especially akong girlfriend, Glyza Cabales, o iyang family. Then, akong lola na nasa akong Luyo Permente. Akong mga siblings tayo, sila Jerod, Ora, si Darren, Ella, Gail.
Maraming salamat, Shane. Hi sa family ni Shane. Back to you, Boom.
Maraming salamat. Of course, congratulations Saint Menina for winning our best player. Nagpumili sa'yo si Coach Hammer, and of course, JJ Domingo also played a very good game.
Yeah, played very well. Fonzie Saavedra, towards the end of the game, again, he wants to close his college career in style.
And of course, Jonathan Gray, congratulations sa mga graduating seniors ng CSB Blazers. And of course, kung kakabukas lang nila ng TV kung bakit natin suot to, in honor of course, the Skywalker Samboy Lim. Nag-high school siya sa San Beda at
nag-college
naman siya. Lahat ng proceeds ng tickets natin mapupunta sa recovery stage ni Idol Skywalker, of course. One ticket lang naman to, and wishing you all the best para sa family ng mga Lim. Si Bonbon Lim na teammate ko nung back in college in Letran. We wish you a healthy recovery para dito kay Samboy Lim. And congratulations sa pinaunlakan natin sa NCAA Policy Board members, of course, San Juan Arena, and ABS-CBN Sports and Action partner.
It's really a blessing to help other people, and we wish you all the best, Skywalker.
At huwag kayong aalis mga kapamilya sa ating second game, the Arellano Chiefs versus the EAC Generals. My partner for today, Martin Antonio aka Coach Hammer, sa aming courtside reporter Siege Tantenko. Pilipinas, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Boom Labrusca.